Bell Canada is Canada's largest telecommunications provider and is committed to advancing new technologies that will better serve our customers. 5G is breakthrough technology that supports high-speed, ultra-reliable, low-latency connections and massive connectivity. 5G can enable advanced applications such as self-driving vehicles that will help improve road safety. Here's a demonstration of two such applications using the Bell 5G network.
The first one is what we call vulnerable road user detection. So a VRU is all of the unconnected folks, if you will, right? So in the future, the cars will talk to themselves, they'll talk to an infrastructure, but your typical bicycle or your typical stroller won't be connected. So we need a way to identify them even though they are passive users of the road. So using a simple Logitech webcam connected to a simple PC, what we're doing is we're taking that video feed and sending it over the air through a 5G modem on the Bell network. And on the other side of that 5G network, there's edge computing where basically we have our algorithms that are going to real-time analyze what the camera sees and detect pedestrians and other road users. So here we're showcasing the latency of that network. And basically the round trip that I just described takes about 30 milliseconds, which would be basically impossible over existing infrastructures. So as we drive, the camera captures everything that surrounds it and sends it to the edge computing. And then there, the algorithms, by machine learning, will identify basically what we are seeing real time. So we see trucks, we see cars, we see persons. A bunch of things that we've trained the algorithms with will now be able to be identified. The main application of this, of course, is autonomous driving. So a person that drives a car knows exactly what's in front of it. But if the car drives itself, then it needs to be aware of its environment, and it needs to be aware of its environment in real time. And that's possible because of the 5G network. All right, so let me switch to my second demo that we're doing here, which is called Ultra HD mapping. So that's another part of the equation for autonomous driving. So basically, if you need to know perfectly the environment that surrounds you. So this is a 3D map that we did a couple of weeks ago using high-definition LiDARs and high-precision cameras. So basically, we captured 2 million points per second, and we created a point cloud environment of our surrounding. So we see the real-life building here, and we recognize them as we drive past them. And the usage of that is, of course, in a city like Toronto, there are a couple of months out of the year where the curb won't be visible or the lines won't be visible, mostly because of the snow. Now, once you know your exact positioning as a car, and once your map is also a georeference precise down to the centimeter, you can use this as complementary information for autonomous driving. So this map is about 2 gigabytes of information per kilometer, and this map is being downloaded over the 5G network as we drive. So we have our immediate surrounding, and when we move, we have a continuous upload of that map over the 5G network. So what we're showcasing here is not our ability to identify objects, but rather our ability to upload and download significant information in almost real time for real-time applications.
These are just two of the multitude of applications that are made possible with 5G. It can enable smart city, including massive Internet of Things, telehealth, smart factories, and many other advanced applications. By advancing 5G technology, Bell is helping to future-proof Canada's telecommunications industry.